Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, usually I would have a box or something to show you right here. Well, I can't today. Today we're going to take a look at something by CRKT. And I know, big, huge shock. One of the 3 favorite brands I love bringing to my channel. This one was purchased from a friend of mine, so that's why I don't have the box. But it's okay, we're going to go through this review and have fun anyway. I do want to say kind of right up front, forgive the noise, the air conditioner noise in the background. Hopefully it's not too overbearing. Kind of hot today, and I'm not really in the mood to drop buckets of sweat doing a review. Alright, as you know by that thumbnail and all that other fun stuff, we're going to take a look at the CRKT Batum. Hope I'm saying that right. Alright, now my friend sold it to me. First thing he wanted to do was go, I don't know if you want it because the little scratches. I'm like, dude, that's okay. It's just a worn-in look. He was also really cool and included the original scale that came with it. He got the, I don't want to say aftermarket, but he got a scale that fits it, and I like the OD green a heck of a lot better than I like the black. So, I'm sticking with the OD green. Alright, now this one is a Jesper Voxness design. We have brought other blades by Jesper to the channel before. Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade I've ever brought to the channel. You're going to see a couple from him in there. Now, it feels good in the hand. I like the little aggressive forward finger twirl. And it just, I don't know, it's a great blade. Obviously, you can see it's been used and had some stuff. And it just kind of adds to the fun of the blade to me. Now, it's got an overall length of 7.875 inches. The blade is 3.125, and closed it's 4.625. It has a pretty beefy weight to it of a flat 7 ounces. You will feel this in your pocket. It's going to take you a bit to get used to it, but you're going to feel it in there. Now, they call it a drop point style, but man, that is a severe warp on a drop point to me. So I'm going to let you guys figure out what you want to call it. Now, it does have the plain edge with a flat grind and that satiny finish that you guys know I really love. That's kind of like my second favorite finish. I love Stonewash a heck of a lot better. The blade steel on this guy is 8CR13 MOV with a 58-60 Rockwell rating. It does have a stainless steel frame, and as of course you can see, we got a frame lock. And as I already said earlier, I'm keeping the olive drab textured G10 scale as opposed to the black one. Now, there's only one, well, I should say there's 2 ways to carry it. Right hand carry, tip up or tip down, your choice. Now, with most Jesper Voxness designs, he has his patented, I don't want to say patented, but his telltale thumb hole thing that's there. All his blades seem to have that opening that I've brought to my channel. You got your lanyard hole down here. And yes, in case you're wondering, it is made in China. Now, let's have some fun and do some cut tests, okay? If you guys are brand new to my channel, we usually only do 3, and they're pretty simple ones. Alright? First up, heavy-duty stock paper. Okay, I like that. Alright, right off the bat, I'm blown away by how sharp he's got it out of the gate. I'm getting those on every single cut that I do. Now, this is why I'm so excited to get these, okay? Anybody can take any blade and just go sharp. But when you drag it across nice, slow, and steady at the same angle and maintain that angle and keep it slow and steady, it should do that. It should give you that beautiful little curlicue right there. That shows you that blade is sharp. There's no micro abrasions. There's none of those other weird little things that can happen to your blade. Next up, paracord. Simple pull test. Okay, maybe that's a dead spot, because that was a little bit more of a struggle than it should have been. Alright, and a slice test. Right there. And of course, Mr. Reset Strap. Yep, right through, no problem. And as we always do, I'm not really seeing any paper flakes, but I'm seeing, I don't want to say it's a glint or something right there. Gonna have to run that over a stone. It's got a great edge, but there's just like, seriously, I don't know if you can see it too well, but right there appears to be something. But that's okay. So I went out and took a look for the cost and the ratings and all that on August 7th, 2020. And I'm filming this on August 8th, 2020. I looked on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $29.75, and for those of you with Prime, it is Prime eligible. CRKT, $31.95, and Blade HQ, $29.99. It's been reviewed 84 times on Amazon for a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. CRKT, it's been reviewed once and it got a 4 out of 5-star rating, and Blade HQ 9 times for a 5 out of 5. Alright, now setting all that aside, here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know, do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I like it. I liked it when I first saw it. I like the OD green over the black. And it's been okay for me when I've carried it. The only thing that was a slight draw for me was the weight. It just felt like it bounced in my pocket a lot. And having like 7 ounces slapping you on the side of the leg constantly for the day was okay. And yes, I wear shorts a lot, so I've got a lot of movement. But still, now we're moving on to the other fun part of the video. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options on the table right now, especially with COVID going on and quarantine and all that fun stuff. But man, I'm grateful for that time you gave me today. Hopefully I earn more of it. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment down below and we'll see if we can implement it into a future video. You never know what changes you might suggest that might take the channel to another level. Now, if you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, if you so choose to, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Good question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those wonderful videos that we all love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Batum. Thank you so much for watching, and like I say in every single video, I hope you're being safe, and I hope you're having a wonderful day today.